In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the snipping tool on Windows 11, whether you need to capture a part of your screen for work, school, or personal projects. The snipping tool is a handy utility you'll find invaluable. Let's dive into the two main methods of accessing this feature and walk through the process of saving your screenshots efficiently. Let's start with a quick and straightforward way to capture your screen using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Windows, Shift, and the letter S on your keyboard simultaneously. You'll notice that your screen will dim slightly, which is a sign that the capture toolbar has appeared. This toolbar offers several snipping options, such as rectangular, freeform, window, or full screen snip, allowing you to choose how you want to capture your content precisely. Now, if you prefer accessing the snipping tool through the Start menu, here's another method you can use. Head over to the Start button, which is typically found in the lower left corner of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. In the search bar, type Snipping Tool, and you should see it appear in the list of search results. Click to open the app, and you'll have the snipping tool interface at your fingertips. After you've captured a screenshot using either method, you might notice a notification preview pop up. Clicking on this preview will open your captured image within the snipping tool app. Once it's open, you're just a couple of steps away from saving your image. To save your new screenshot, you can click the save icon located at the top of the app, or simply press Ctrl and the letter S as a keyboard shortcut for the save function. When the save window appears, it allows you to choose where you'd like to store your image file. You have the flexibility to select any location on your computer that you find suitable, be it a particular folder for all your screenshots or your desktop for easy access. Don't forget to give your file a descriptive name so that you can easily find it later. After you've chosen the location and named your file, click the Save button to finalize your work, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you've now become adept at using the snipping tool on Windows 11. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool that can make capturing and saving visual information quick and easy. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy snipping!